I'm so tired. I want to rest so bad. But before that, I will take a shower first.
Go ahead and take a shower once you're done.
What the? I called the hotel receptionist to tell that there is no water in their shower.
What's the bro? I have some issue about this room. The cabinet is dusty, and it seems like our room isn't clean.
Good morning, this is Luna Hotel. How may I help you?
There's no good in this morning if our showering isn't functioning. We paid exact amount for this and this is what we got.
I'm sorry to hear about the issue about your hotel room. Sir, we apologize for any inconvenience this has caused. Our maintenance team will address the problem immediately to ensure that your stay is as comfortable as possible.
And your cabinet is dusty. I can't even put my things on it.
I think it's better if we transfer to another room.
Yes, you have a point. We can't even get a proper rest in this room.
We decided to transfer in another room.
Sorry sir, but as of now, our hotel is already fully booked.
Then what do you want us to do in this room?
Our hotel maintenance and housekeeper will there in a minute. We're very sorry sir for the inconveniences.
We are so tired from our flights. This is your way to welcome us?
I'm very sorry sir. We will do our best to fix the issues.
Good morning, sir. The Luna Hotel sent us here to fix the problems.
Fix it right now so we can rest already. We will go out and we will back until you finish fixing the problem.
It's already done, sir. You can have a proper rest now, sir.
Thank you.